Saturday, September 19th maybe. Don't know. Up here putting on the cutting edge on my John Deere 512 loader. Turned out decent. Cut to fit. There's one off fall. There's the other off fall. I just centered it and then to cut each side. Not too bad a cut. I used a plasma cutter. Thermodynamics. That cutting edge probably 3/4 of an inch thick at least. Hardened steel. And I just cranked it all the way up. It cut right through it. Used a simple piece of angle iron and some clamps for a straight edge. Got the standoff on the head. And this little thing here keeps your distance right. And didn't have to do much cleaning up on the cut at all. Hit it real quick with a grinder. Here's what it looks like. Yeah, not too hot. That's the cut with a plasma cutter. Had a little bit of slag on the bottom. So that's a pretty good little plasma cutter. It ain't a Miller, but I don't need one. When I put my bolts on and my nuts, Loctite these. No anti-seize. I don't want them moving. And studs stuck up. Another 1/2 inch maybe, so I just cut them all down. In the next 30-40 years, if I need to reverse this cutting edge, just cut the bolts off and get new hardware, reverse it, put it back on. There's this side over here. That's hell for stout now. That cutting edge probably weighed 250 pounds. It's a heavy one. And could have stepped it over 1 hole, 2 hole, and just did one cut. But I'd already marked it, set it on these jack stands, and raised the bucket off of it, unbolted it with 2 bolts, raised the bucket off of it, and then I just went ahead and did my cuts. It wasn't no big deal. But yeah. It definitely outlasts me. I got my plasma cutter hooked up. I want to cut some plate to mount hooks on this bucket. Probably won't be able to do it today. I've been working all day up here. Got the food plots planted, fertilized, and put out that 100 pound of crimson clover up on the front property line, 990 foot. Slung seed. Well, first I disced it, just a light disc, and slung the seed about 18 foot wide, pretty dense seed. Then went back with my Chinese cultipacker, packed that all down. That'll come up in the spring. Food plot, it's pretty damn dry up here, dusty dry. I think my wife shot a live shot video of me on the Chinese cultipacker earlier today. And it's supposed to get rain this weekend, and we ain't. So maybe tomorrow. So we'll see. It's about 4:30. Fixing to head down that stand here in just a little while. Try to shoot some more hogs today with my 12 gauge at Mossberg. So anyway, that's all for this one for now. If I get some hogs, I'll post another video with them. Thank you.